Hi, in this video we will create this chart, average day to report by month, from this guide. I recommend you to check the introductory video and the video where we create the select card and do all these calculations. The other ones are independent, so you can just see this one and the two introductory ones. The first thing we are going to do is we're going to create a new card after the select so that we have it close, and we are going to select a group by. We want to use the days to report to calculate the average by month. So we can do it in one of two ways. One is to drag the days to report and drop it in the select, like I'm doing, and selecting the average. The other one is to click on the value placeholder and select it from the select, clicking it on it. I'm going to do this for the key so that you can see. So I want to click the key placeholder and select the report month, or the incident month actually. It depends on which one is important for you, but the incident is the one that makes more sense because it's when the incident happened. So now I clicked on the incident month and I'm going to close this dialog, and we can see here in this case we have 3 rows, one for each month of the data we have in the template. Of course, this can change if you change the data or if you use another source. And now that we have our information, we can give a descriptive title to this card, either by double clicking it and give it a title by hand. I will hit escape here to go out of the edit, or you can control or command double click and it will give a descriptive name based on the structure of the query. So after this, I'm going to create a new card. In this case, it's going to be a chart. I'm going to drag days to report average to chart value placeholder. Again, here you can either drag or click on the placeholder and select it. As we create more cards, and the recommendations are, it gets longer. So sometimes if you have the other card close, it's easier to just drag it and drop it. I'm going to drag the incident month in the by key placeholder, and the card will automatically configure a bar chart. It's almost the one we want, but we're going to change some things. So I'm going to select the expand settings for chart in the right of the chart type, and I'm going to select here the color setting. It's going to open and the formula editor, selecting the current formula. I'm going to go to the second section of the formula editor and select one color for all of them, like this one. And I'm going to click OK. Also, I'm going to deselect the show legends option because it's not useful, it's the months. And now I'm going to collapse the settings. Make sure to sort by month so that in the x-axis of the bar chart, they are sorted order by month, increasing. So this was the first chart, and we can give it the title. I can copy it from here, average day to report by month, and hit enter to set the title. So in this video, we saw how to create a group by to calculate the average days to report grouped by incident month, sorted it ascending, created a chart card, configured it with the outputs of the group by, and changed the settings for the bar chart a little bit to make it look like the dashboard we are trying to replicate. Check the other videos in this series to learn how to build the other charts in this dashboard. Bye.